Hey, what's up guys? So the highly anticipated flagship the OnePlus 12 is expected to launch later this month or early next month in China. OnePlus fans outside of China might not need to wait for too long to get their hands on the OnePlus 12 as the device has already been certified by various global certification platforms, with latest being the China Quality Certification Center. The latest certification reveals that the device will support 100-watt fast charging. OnePlus flagship phones are known for its excellent cameras, but with the OnePlus 12, the company will take it even further. The OnePlus 12 will feature the new Sony Lightyear LYT-808 sensor for improved photography experience, particularly in low-light scenario. The sensor is a 50 megapixel 1 by 1.4 inch in size with dual-layer transistorized pixel technology. In addition, the Hasselblad's optimization will also come into play, improving the photography experience even further. The main sensor will be paired with an OmniVision 64 megapixel periscope lens with 3x optical zoom and optical image stabilization support. The display specs have also been confirmed by the brand lately and they are top notch. It will get BOE X1 OLED panel with 2K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. The device has received DisplayMate A+ certification and it is one of the best 2K display. It could be a tall 6.82-inch curved OLED display with 2600 nits of brightness. The OnePlus 12 will be one of the first to feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, so in performance we know it will be a beast of a phone. One of the major features that the OnePlus 11 lacked last year was the wireless charging, but that won't be the case with the OnePlus 12 as the device will now feature 50-watt fast wireless charging. Powering this device will be a 5400 mAh battery with 100-watt fast charging support. So yeah, OnePlus is bringing its A game with the OnePlus 12 and it will be so hard to beat this device. And let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching. As always, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.